Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing well, and welcome to another video training about the affiliate marketing. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Cesar and I used to work as an engineer, and right now I teach people how to make money online, and the purpose of this channel is to help you get your first online commission. That being said, guys, I'm going to explain you this strategy, this business model in which basically affiliate marketing you promote others company's product. And as you can see in the screen, this is clickbank.com. This is the marketplace, and we have here all of these categories: arts and entertainment, casino TV, betting systems, green products, health and fitness. For example, let's say, so I'm going to click here on home and garden, and we have here all these products that we can promote and earn commissions. And basically what you need to do, guys, is very simple. You need to click here on promote, great. Okay, cool. I'm going to click here on promote, and this is going to generate a hub link, and this is the link that I need to promote. As you can see, if I copy this and paste it here, you can see that it's going to load the video sales letter for this product, the woodworking. Let me click here, the text woodworking product. And as you can see, here we have all the information about the product, how to add to the cart, the different payment options, the bonuses, and all this awesome information. So this is the link, guys, that we need to promote, this one, but you need to do it in a very cool way that I'm going to show you right now, because you can't copy this and paste it over all the social media, because if you put this on Facebook groups, they are going to ban you, right? You can't paste this link all over the place. And the best way to promote this, for example, I use this software, Get Response, and this helped me to build landing pages. You can see email marketing, you can build websites, you can also do automation workflows, build conversion funnels. You have these options here. You can choose the free option, and we have some paid plans. $10, $10.50 per month. So I'm going to access to my Get a Response account, so you can see, guys. And for example, you need to build a landing page like this one, and this link, this one, so the internet is slow today. We're going to wait to get the response, load our template, and we have variant 8 and a thank you page right over here. Okay, cool. When people put here their information, their name and their email address, they're going to be redirected to this thank you page. And here, click here to access. You can paste here your affiliate link of the product, and people are going to click here and they are going to be redirected to your offer. And that is the way you need to promote a product, and you need to build a proper landing page for that product. I'm going to click here on next step. Get response is loading. Okay, I'm going to talk about, guys, a little bit about traffic, and you can use this platform. I use TikTok. I have here all these videos, and as you can see, I have here my landing page. So you can create a TikTok account, put here your landing page, right? And the same video you can upload it to YouTube and also to Pinterest and Instagram and all your social media. So you can be like omnipresent in all of these and all of that sites. Now let me show you here. Get response, and then you need to click here on publish, and you are ready to go. And if you want to learn more about how to use this software, guys, because then you need to build your automation workflows so you can do the proper follow-up to your subscribers. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can get access to my 3-step formula to make money with affiliate marketing. And also, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.